Rocket Hiccups, he goes backwards.
But the race is going to start soon. Rocket can't be in the Great Sky Race with Rocket Hiccups. But how do you fix Rocket Hiccups?
Stopping Rocket Hiccups must be sort of like stopping Kid Hiccups.
When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away.
That's a great idea, Annie. We've got a mission. We're going to surprise the hiccups out of Rocket so he can win the race.
Yay!